Alright, let's see. Got the screws out of the bag. Different screws, right? So these screws go into this little deep well pocket and into the drive. Alright, that's one. Go with two here. Alright, a little cross action. Okay. No static strap, none of that. This is an SSD. We should be fine, gentlemen. Alright. If I had to plug that in righteously, I put the plate on backwards. Alright. So, there you go. Real time. All mistakes and all. Okay? Let's go. Waste no time. Can already hear the beats. Mistake corrected. No biggie. Right. No pun intended. R.I.P. Big and Pun. Okay. Make sure we strip them out, right? All right. It's in place. This should fall right in line. Right. And of course, something's not right. Right, really. Uh-oh. There we go. Almost had an oopsie moment. Nah, we're doing it this way. Here you go. Come on. Get that plate in there. Put this screw in here. Okay. Screw those up and screw them down. Roger that. Predactor. Okay. Make sure all of these little bad boys are good enough and tight. Okay. And we'll see you on the flip side.